In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious blueberry lemon cake. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of blueberries, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of sour cream, 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. In a bowl, we're going to start by adding the sugar and the eggs and whisk until smooth and until they become white. To this, we're going to add in our sour cream, oil, salt, vanilla extract, and continue mixing until completely combined. To the flour, we're going to add in our baking powder and mix until combined. Now, we're going to slowly add our flour and baking powder mixture and mix until completely combined and there's no lumps left. Add in the lemon zest and half the lemon juice and mix again. Once our batter is combined, we should be able to form a figure 8 without the batter breaking. We're going to set this aside for later. To the blueberries, we're going to add the cornstarch and mix until completely coated. Then we're going to add in the lemon juice and mix until completely coated, making sure not to smash the blueberries. Once our blueberries are coated, we're going to set them aside for later. In a parchment paper lined cake pan, we're going to pour in half of our cake batter. Over the cake batter, we're going to add in half of our blueberries. Now we're going to pour the remains of our batter over this. Finally, we're going to add our remaining blueberries on top. We're going to bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 minutes and let it cool completely for 20 minutes. Once our cake is cool, we're going to use a sifter to sift powdered sugar on top. Our blueberry lemon cake is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!